Indo-Pak dialogue only alternative to resolve Kashmir issue, says British journalist Victoria Schofield. While interacting with the media persons on the sidelines of the Gilgit-Baltistan seminar in London, Victoria Schofield, a well-known British journalist and historian, on Friday said that dialogue between India and Pakistan is the only alternative to resolve the Kashmir issue. Schofield said that common people should be given the dignity and power to put forward their views, and a roundtable conference between the officials of both the nations should be held to bring a solution to the issue.
There is no alternative but dialogue with the Kashmir issue. We've seen what happens with weapons, we've seen what happened with wars. The Kashmiris of all complexions have to be allowed to sit down and be given the dignity to put forward their views with representatives from the governments of India and the governments from Pakistan, because you really need, and I've said this on dozens of occasions, you need to have a round table where everybody can put forward their view. And what we'll see is a disparate view. We will not necessarily see a united voice, but once you've got these disparate views, you've then got to work out a compromise, because not everybody can have what they want.
The British journalist said that she was excited to see the prime ministers of both the countries sit together and watch the semi-final match of the ongoing World Cup, adding that India, Pakistan share similar cultures and need a proper leadership to put aside their differences and live in harmony.
I was delighted to see the two prime ministers sitting there together. I think it's terribly important, because I believe that Pakistan and India, the peoples are the peoples of the same soil. You cannot exchange your neighbors. They'll always be neighbors. And so it's absolutely imperative for them to get along. And I've spent a lifetime in journalism working towards this in terms of what I write. And I really think that Pakistanis and Indians have far more in common than they have differences. And at some point, one needs the leadership which will put that into practice. And I really believe that the Indians and Pakistanis would rejoice. They don't want to be at war with each other.
Speaking on the grievances of the people living in Gilgit-Baltistan region, Schofield said that the common men felt cheated seeing the development in other regions of Pakistan. Priyanka Vitpurnima for ANI.